Hi there everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video I will talk about the disadvantages of using C++ programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. Disadvantages of using C++. C++ is a powerful programming language that has been widely used for many years. However, like any technology, it has its disadvantages. Here are some of the disadvantages of using C++. Number 1. Complexity. C++ is a complex language that can be difficult to learn and use effectively. Its syntax can be challenging and there are many concepts that require a deep understanding to use correctly. Number 2. Memory management. C++ requires manual memory management, which means that the programmer is responsible for allocating and delocating memory. This can lead to memory leaks and other issues if not done correctly. Number 3. Lack of built-in garbage collection. Unlike some other programming languages such as Java, Python, C++ does not have built-in garbage collection. This means that it is up to the programmer to manage memory usage, which can be time-consuming and error-prone. Number 4. Safety concerns. C++ provides low-level access to the hardware, which can be a double-edged sword. While it can make it powerful language, it also means that there is a risk of security vulnerabilities and other safety concerns. Number 5. Steep learning curve. Due to its complexity and low-level nature, C++ can have a steep learning curve. It can take a significant amount of time and effort to become proficient in the language. Number 6. Compatibility issues. C++ has evolved over the years and different versions may not be fully compatible with each other. This can make it challenging to maintain and update the code over time. Overall, while C++ is a powerful language, its complexity and potential pitfalls may make it less appealing to some programmers. Okay guys, so this is the end of my presentation about the disadvantages of using C++ programming language. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.